Hi everyone, good afternoon. We just came back from our usual Saturday errands and now it's time to cook up dinner. So tonight, since it's been raining, I'll be doing chicken tinola. Chicken tinola is like your chicken hainanese chicken. It has almost the same ingredients and everything like that. But this one is the Filipino version of that. So let me go and show you around in the kitchen. Ingredients we need the chicken, which is about 1.5 kilo, sayote 3 pieces, chicken liver 2 packs of 400 grams, spinach, ginger, garlic, 2 pieces of medium onions or small onions, and you can add chili if you want. Alright, let's start prepping. First, I'll just chop up all the vegetable ingredients and then I'll chop up the chicken so I don't have to wash the chopping board twice by chopping in the chicken. So I'll start with the other raw ingredients first. Ginger, garlic, and onions. And then I'll do the sayote afterwards. For 1.5 kilo of chicken, whole chicken, I'm going to be using this much ginger. Okay, we're done chopping everything that we need. So now we can start cooking. So after chopping, I've chopped the garlic and the ginger and the onions. I have 2 small onions, 1 huge chunk of ginger, and 1 bulb of garlic, 3 pieces of sayote or chayote, 1 whole chicken, which is 1.5 kilos. So chopped it up into big chunks, and then I have 2 packs here of 1/2 kilo or 400 grams of chicken liver, which I will cook separately, and again spinach instead of chili leaves. I do have chili leaves there, but no, I'm not gonna use that. So now we can start cooking. So I'm gonna start sauteing the trinity ingredient, which is this: garlic, ginger, and onions. So we'll have to start heating up our drizzle at least a tablespoon of oil on the pot so we can saute our ingredients. Always make sure to wash your chicken and the vegetables and wash your hand. I'll start putting in the ginger and the onions. I don't want to put the garlic first because I don't want that to get so brown or burned. And then you put the onions, and then you just saute everything until it's totally translucent. As for the chicken, I didn't put any salt in the chicken. I just washed it after I have chopped it. Doing that, I'm gonna get another frying pan so I could cook the chicken liver. I don't want to be cooking that in the same pot. I'm just gonna fry pan it, fry cook it, fry pan cook it, pan fry cook it. I mean. All right, now I'm gonna start putting in the chicken, and let's sear it with that together with the ingredients. Gonna let it cook. Gonna let it dry, sear with those three stuffs that's here, with the garlic, the ginger, and the onions. Oh, if there's only a smell kind of thing on the phone or on the video, my darling would love this smell. Put in the chicken, so we're just gonna let that cook for a bit, for a few minutes. And then here we are, we have the chicken liver, which I'm gonna start cooking and then putting it in the pan. The reason I'm not just putting it together with the chicken and cooking this separately at the moment and searing this, because I don't want this to get disintegrated into the soup or the stew, and it doesn't have that much fat in it. So there, just drizzling a little bit more olive oil in it. And now I will start putting some salt in the chicken, so flavor would stay, so that the chicken will taste dry. And then I'll sprinkle some ground pepper as well. We love pepper very much, so this would go as far as it would go. And so there's the chicken, there's the liver cooking or frying and cooking here. And then so we'll just let that sear more, a bit more, and then afterwards we'll start cooking. I'm just gonna add up the sayote so that they could cook at the same time. Chicken can cook quick as long as you chop it up and it's in liquid and everything. It's good. There. Why? But the frozen chicken liver here in the Philippines easily gets so disintegrated. They easily crumble. Oh my golly. Look at this. Look what happened. That's how it is. Like, just goes into pieces. Water to cover the chicken with water and the sayote so it would cook. Cover it up and let it simmer or cook until the chicken is done and the sayote is done. Alright, the chicken liver is now done, and the simmering chicken and sayote are done. Normally I would use fish sauce to put some flavors into this, but I can't since hubby doesn't like fish sauce, so just salt and pepper. And since I have put good enough salt earlier on the chicken and some pepper already, so I will not add more. So now it's time to plate it up to serve, so we can start our dinner. And then the basmati is already done, so I'm gonna put the lots of spinach there. That's gonna be the dinner. And then I'll scoop out some meat, some chicken, and some liver. We'll scoop up some meat, and then we can serve it family style. Then we can just scoop out some soup there. That's the breast with the wings, the backbone, the drumstick that John loves. Me, I'm more of like the thigh person. Thigh part, I love the thigh. The upper part of the drumstick, that's what I love because it's more juicy than the breast part. And the wings, that's another thing that I love. So I'm just gonna get the other drumstick, put it there. There we go. And then some of this there. Serve it like that. You can actually just eat this as is with just the sayote and the soup without the rice. And then you have, if you are into keto or on a diet or something like that, then you could do that. And since we love chicken liver or liver in this house, I'm gonna add some liver on the side there. Let's see, to complete this. Here we go. And then I'll add a little bit more that spinach. We take out a bit of we'll take that, and then we'll ladle some chicken broth. You can actually serve this like this without the chicken broth, and you just have the chicken broth directly to individual bowls, so it would be nicer. Much better. So now we have chicken tinola. That's that. That is chicken tinola, the finished product. See, everything is just melting in. Alright, the food is finished. We're ready to eat now. So as you can see, there's the finished product, tinola with chicken liver. We're using spinach and sayote instead of chili leaves and papaya, but my husband likes sayote much better than papaya. And serve with basmati, and as you can see, more broth on our bowls, individual bowls. And for dippings, I will have my fish sauce, and my husband will have his liquid seasoning, nor. And then if you want fresh chili, you can have fresh chili, but if you don't, you can just use sriracha. So we're using sriracha. So to make it more spicy if you want, or we could have pepper. Okay, bon appetit!